Hi, it's Riz Judavji, owner-operator of the Riz team at Royal LePage Woolley Realty. I'm excited to bring you this 3-bedroom bungalow on this half-acre beautiful lot situated in Tillsonburg. Come on inside so I can show you the rest of this home. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this home. To book a viewing for this home or any one of our other listings, call 519-RIZ-SOLD. That's 519-749-7653. And remember, don't put it on hold. Call Riz to get it sold.